It seems M. Shivashankar, former Principal Secretary to the Chief Minister, is going into deeper trouble. The Customs Department is getting ready to arraign him in the case relating to the smuggling of $1.9 lakh by UAE consulate employee and Egyptian national Khalid Ali Shokri through the Thiruvananthapuram airport in August 2019. Customs officers believe that Shivashankar was aware of the Khalid's plan to travel to Cairo via Muscat carrying US dollars illegally on August 7, 2019. Investigators suspect that Shivashankar accompanied Khalid and the other accused, Swapna Suresh and Sairith PS, to Muscat and later to Dubai. To confirm the same, the customs had sought travel documents from Shivashankar when he was questioned last month. Though the IAS officer had promised to produce documents from the travel agency, he couldn't. During the interrogation, Shivashankar is said to have claimed that the trip was for other purposes. But the customs suspect that all 4 persons were together in Muscat. Shivashankar stayed at a luxury hotel which he couldn't have afforded, the customs officials pointed out. Shivashankar may be made respondent in the case. The customs had planned to arrest Shivashankar last month, but on the way to the customs office for questioning, he was admitted to a hospital in Thiruvananthapuram. The agency will now record his statement under Section 108 of the Customs Act after his custody with the Enforcement Directorate expires on Wednesday. He will be made a respondent in the case based on his statement. A decision on the arrest will be taken later. His health will also be considered before recording his arrest, sources said. Swapna had told the customs that those accused in the gold smuggling case had held a meeting in Dubai in August 2019. The customs is probing whether Shivashankar was also present at the meeting. Currently, it has enough evidence to arraign him as an accused in the currency smuggling case, but it hasn't received enough proof against him in the gold smuggling case. On Monday, the customs filed before the Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate Court details of the no objection letter issued by the Ministry of External Affairs to Khalid. The details were filed as part of a plea to arraign him as a respondent and to issue a non-bailable warrant against him. In the letter issued in June 2017, it was specified that he and his family members will not enjoy diplomatic immunity. The court had raised doubt whether Khalid enjoys diplomatic immunity and whether a case could be registered against him in India. The court is set to pronounce an order in this regard on Wednesday. Meanwhile, the National Investigation Agency has arraigned 5 more persons in the high-profile gold smuggling case. As the 4 of them are currently in the UAE, the NIA will approach Interpol to trace them out. According to officials, these accused have been identified as Mohammed Aslam, Abdul Latif, Nasruddin Shah alias Nasru, and Ramzan Parancheri alias Sabu Pullara, all from Malappuram, and Mohammed Mansur PS alias Manju, a native of Kozhikode. Except for Mohammed Aslam, all other accused persons are in the UAE, and NIA has approached NIA court to issue a non-bailable arrest warrant against them. NIA is interrogating Aslam, according to officials. With the inclusion of 5 more persons, there are 35 accused in the case registered by NIA. The agency has so far arrested 21 persons in this case. News Desk, Kaumudi English.